एक खाना है, एक।
लो ना।
हाँ तो एक दे दो मुझे।
आप
हाँ हाँ
लो। अच्छा
हाँ तो मुझे खाना है, मुझे खाना है, मुझे मिलेगा खाने
मुझे
तो दो एक।
लो ना।
अच्छा मैं, आप बना के दो मुझे, ऐसा बना के। At 5:30 in the morning, we had the traditional Khasi breakfast, and now just an hour later, the sun is already out, and we are coming out again to explore Shillong. I'm planning to go to this area called Bara Bazar. Bazar means market. After Police Bazar, I think the second most famous area of Shillong is Bara Bazar. So there's a very big market there, the meat market, and a lot of other things, more traditional crude looking market, and there are some food joints also, very interesting ones. So I will have my lunch there. Now it's too soon for lunch, I know, it's only 6:30 in the morning, but I'll explore the city. Exploring the city, I'll reach Bara Bazar, I'll explore the market, and probably around 10:30 we can have the lunch. So let me find out where to go to Bara Bazar from, and let's go there. I want one Kwai, मुझे मिलेगा खाने। And now we are approaching Bara Bazar. This is the portrait, see this, that's you. This is why this waterfall is called Rainbow Waterfall. Come now, one picture. Yes, Milliam Village, which is famous for the meat dishes. Can I carry water for you?
Yes.
Is there a place to get haircut here? Do I look handsome? Take करते हैं, come now. Dahun Lam.
You didn't tell me she's beautiful.
Because I don't have to tell you. Again, you've seen this in the previous vlog. This is the very center of Shillong called Police Bazar, the PB.
Where you go now?
I'm just walking around.
You go Cherrapunji, you go Sasi.
Cherrapunji, not now.
You go now, you go have a bike here.
हाँ?
You have bike here.
अभी नहीं जाना।
फोटो लेने मांगता है।
फोटो लूँ क्या इसका?
फोटो नहीं लीजिए। नहीं।
तो फिर चेरापूंजी जाऊंगा।
नहीं।
अरे फिर चेरापूंजी जाऊंगा मैं। नहीं जाना चेरापूंजी। Can I take one portrait? Let me take one nice portrait of you. अच्छा स्माइल करो। दांत दिखाओ, दांत।
खराब है गुटखा खा के।
देखो ये बहुत अच्छा है, देखो ऐसे हंसने का, ये देखो है ना। थैंक यू। व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रदर?
Name is Rinko. My name is Rinko.
Rinko. My name is Darshan Kublai.
Okay, thank you so much.
Where do I go to Bara Bazar from?
Yeah, you do good.
And how far is it if I walk?
Only
Half kilometer. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Walking.
Okay. Okay, Rinko.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. All right. So let's go to Bara Bazar now. Interesting people everywhere. This has become one of my favorite activities when I travel. I started that actually in Meghalaya. Last time in 2019, in the May of 2019, 2.5 years ago now, when I came to Shillong for the first time in Meghalaya, I explored Meghalaya with my friend. I was not a video vlogger then, but I just bought a digital DSLR for the first time, and I was crazy about it. So I started approaching people, and I took a ton of portraits. You will find all of them on my Instagram. So if you're not following Instagram, you should. Anyway, so yeah, this portrait clicking activity is my favorite activity. It has its roots actually in Meghalaya. I see some cherry blossoms. Let me tell you guys, this is the season of cherry blossoms, and Shillong also hosts a cherry blossom festival, which coincidentally is going on now. So today also at this lake called Ward's Lake, there are some activities taking place for cherry blossom festival. So we will see how that is. But you see there, this is called kho. So people in Meghalaya use this basket made of what? I'm not getting the word. Bamboo. Yeah, made of bamboos. They use it for everything. From carrying their stuff, they carry their stones and wood also. They carry, as you saw, the garbage. It's very widely used. So if there's one thing that symbolizes Meghalaya for me, that's the basket, the kho. It's called kho, K-H-O-H, kho. This vlog is not about anything in particular. We're just exploring the city early in the morning. Look at the vibe. The vibe, in fact, you can't see right now. When I came here yesterday, especially when I entered the Police Bazar area, I saw so many people. And because it's cold place, in cold places usually people dress up very fashionably. Their shoes and their jackets and I don't know, people look more attractive, more beautiful and handsome in colder regions. And I saw that, and that vibe was great. Come now. Can I take one picture? No? Okay. I see some more portrait opportunity. Come now, Philo. Can I take a photo? Please. Take.
You want the China slishar?
Huh?
You want the kaprana slishar?
What?
You want bikri kaprana slishar?
Take photo, Lu. Nice photo. Okay. Smile. Okay, thank you. तुम नो ये क्या बेच रहे हो? क्वाई है? क्वाई है। एक क्वाई टोबैको के बिना मिलता है? विदाउट टोबैको? विदाउट टोबैको क्वाई मिलता है? टोबैको के बिना, नो टोबैको। क्वाई, वन क्वाई। आई वॉन्ट वन क्वाई, एक क्वाई।
तंबाकू
नहीं चाहिए, टोबैको नहीं चाहिए।
tamul pan. तो tamul pan. ये
हाँ, एक खाना है, एक।
लो ना।
हाँ तो एक दे दो मुझे।
आप
हाँ
लो।
नहीं, ये पान में डाल के।
लो ना पान।
आप बना के दोगे नहीं दोगे? ऐसा प्रिपेयर करके दोगे बना के
ओ
खाने के लिए? क्वाई। लेट्स हैव द Meghalayan Kwai. I like her smile, and you guessed right. We have a portrait opportunity. We'll not let that go.
ये
हाँ ये चलेगा।
आप खाओ।
हाँ मैं खाऊंगा।
मेरा खाओ।
हाँ मैं खाता हूँ। दो।
हाँ अच्छा। ये मच्छर नाम से। अच्छा।
हाँ तो मुझे खाना है।
पूजा।
She is eating. She's not giving me.
खाता ना करम। चुकवाई खाओ करम।
मुझे मिलेगा खाने?
पूजा।
तो दो एक।
लो ना।
अच्छा आप बना के दो मुझे, ऐसा बना के मुझे दो। I don't know, she is finding it very funny. I think she can't believe that I want to have Kwai. Hello. Come now. हाँ ऐसा बना के दो। इतना बड़ा? That's too big. It's not very hard. We can have it. Yeah. नहीं फिर मैं इसमें डालो ना। ऐसे खाते हैं नहीं खाते? This is quite. कितना पैसा? 2 रुपया? Guys, that is, she's saying 2 rupees. फर्स्ट टाइम तो नहीं आया, पहले आया था 2 साल पहले। नहीं बस हो गया। एक ही चाहिए। मैं आपका एक फ़ोटो लेना चाहता हूँ। एक फ़ोटो। अरे ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। ऐसे ही दोस्त को दिखाने के लिए, ऐसे घूमने आया है ना। नहीं हुआ। स्माइल करो अच्छे से। थोड़ा हंसो। देखो शर्म। She's saying she's feeling shy. हाँ क्या बोला? हम थैंक यू कुबले कुबले शिबुन। ठीक है 10 रुपये रख लो। हाँ this is not bad actually. I can't believe that this thing is making the teeth red. No, I can't see my teeth right now, but I'm sure they are not red. The thing that makes teeth red is something else. This was only the betel nut leaf and a piece of betel nut. Let me take a selfie also with this woman. I like her smile. It's very infectious, very charming smile. So I would like to have a selfie to share on Instagram. So let me do that. So guys, this is now Bara Bazar and the main market is over on that side. I just asked someone here. Of course, it's still very early. It's approaching 7 a.m. So I think there is still time for the market to open. So we'll hang around here, take some more portraits if we find, and talk to people and have fun. Whoa, whoa. Kublai. Kumno. What is this?
This is Khasi food.
Khasi food. Jadoh?
Jadoh, yeah, this is Jadoh.
Jadoh I just had. Anything else?
No, only Jadoh.
Jadoh and the white rice.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I just had it there. Okay. No problem. I like your face. Haan. One problem here is wherever there are these intersections, there are a lot of cabs and cabbies, and when they see somebody like a tourist, they start asking and pestering, where do you want to go, take my cab. And we're not looking for a cab right now, we're just exploring the city, but they just keep coming behind you. So that's a little bit irritating, although I understand why that happens, and there's no way around it. Any place which is a tourist place, this is bound to happen. It was a bit irritating. Anyways, so we are going further up. I asked somebody what comes ahead. It's very noisy right now. I hope you can hear me. So that guy told me that it's kind of like villages now. The city center was behind Bara Bazar, and before that, where we are coming from, Police Bazar is the city center. But now we are entering the interiors, which is, if I have to trust that man, more rural. So let's see what the rural area of Shillong looks like, and if you can find some interesting people or food or something over there. I want to have my lunch at Bara Bazar, but the bazaar is not yet quite open because still it's early. As I mentioned earlier, around 10:30 we will have our lunch. Come now. Well, so far it doesn't look like a rural area, but look at this bungalow, how beautiful it is. What an architecture. And look at this one as well. Interesting looking homes an interesting looking sidewalk. So these are hills. This is Meghalaya is practically a hill station. The entire state is a hill station, and see, there are lots of hills over there also. If you see, there's another hill over there. This is hill, so it's all up and down. See, this is the hill which I showed you from between the two buildings earlier. We were there at that time. That looks like a rural area actually on that hill. another call. Come now. Can I take one picture? One photo. Very nice. Okay. What's your name?
Jack.
Ja.
Jack.
Jack. My name is Darshan. I'll take one nice portrait of yours. Okay? You want to smile? Wow, this is good.
Thank you.
Look at this. Nice. Kublai Shubham. Is that correct? Kublai Shubham? Yeah. Thank you. Friendly people. He was looking sad over there, but he smiled. Hello. Let's buy a bottle of water. Do you have a bottle of water? Water? Inside? Small bottle? Look at this shop. How much for this? 10 rupees? 15? 10? Okay, I'll take one. Do you have change for 50? Look at this small shop. The shop owner. Thank you. Can I take your picture here? Can I take one portrait picture? Nice one. I like your hairstyle. And this looks good. Smile, smile, nice smile. Better. Yeah, this is better. Kublai. Kublai, correct? Yeah. I keep forgetting. Let me take the money and get going. Okay guys, so I was going this way, but I've decided to turn back, and this bus is going to Police Bazar. So let's travel with the locals to Police Bazar. We'll come back to Bara Bazar after that. This is going to Police Bazar? No? It says Police Bazar there, no? No? Okay. It's a private bus? Oh, okay. Oh, so even though it says it has the mention of the locations and government of Meghalaya, looks like it's a private bus. So it's not public transport. Anyways, I thought it would be interesting to travel in a bus with locals, and we might reach Police Bazar again, but then how far is Bara Bazar from Police Bazar? We could come back, but anyways, it was a private bus. But I'll still go back towards Bara Bazar again. I think this vlog of exploring Shillong and clicking portraits has filled about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's end this one. If you like it, and if you want to watch more like this, because I'm only on the second day now, we're going to be spending in total 10 days in Meghalaya. So lots more epic stuff is still ahead. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well, so that you never miss another epic video from DC Travelers. Signing off from this unknown locality in Shillong. Until next time,